All right, adjust my camera a little bit. There we go. I hope everyone's having a great day. Here over at Niche Your Business, we run a couple different businesses. We run a niche business where we help insurance agencies clarify their message and really help them with their marketing to the right client. And the Flood Insurance Guru, we handle an insurance agency that specifically focuses on flood. And so recently, we've been hiring for a new campaign and marketing director for both companies. And as I'm going through these interviews, I want to make sure that I'm hitting all the spots I need to be hitting. I want to make sure there's something I'm not missing. And I did this exact same strategy for class, where I built a GPT for each one of my classes. I have built an HR assistant, and you can easily do this. You can use the O3 model to do it. I think it's a better model to do it. Go and build a GPT and give it your specific, and when you're configuring it, what you're looking for. Here, what we were looking for is, you can see the prompt I kind of gave it right here, on what we were hiring for. And what I did is I took the transcript from the Zoom interview and I uploaded it, told it what I was looking for, what we were looking for, and all these different things. And it came back with all these different things right here that it did hit the check mark on, or that it didn't hit the check mark on, which you'll see where it doesn't have a check. Things that this person may not be the best fit for. What the overall fit is there, their recommendation, what the next stages and everything are. Now, what could happen is my VA could have done this, my AI agent could have done this, then it could have gone and sent it through some kind of HubSpot sandbox exercise, or we could have built an exercise like this before it even got back to me. And then what happens is I have an advisory board built that's an AI agent as well. And what happens is we present our findings to that advisory board, deciding if we should go on with the next interview. Then if we go on with the next interview is when we start to get the rest of our team members involved. You see, so it really hasn't even gotten to my other team members yet. It's really just gotten to the hiring manager, or potentially the hiring VA, who handles a lot of this. So this is an easy way that you could create an HR assistant inside your insurance agency. Look, you could do it on a Gemini Pro 2.5 as well, but the O3 model with ChatGPT seems to be working really well for things like this right here. I use it to do website design. I use it for website reviews. As you can see on the left-hand side here, I have a lot of GPTs. In fact, probably over 1,000 of them now that I keep in a database. Does my team get access to all of those? No. They only get access to the ones they need in their day-to-day job. But I wanted to make this quick video just showing you how you could do this. Now let's just go in here and say, all right, now I want its help in building that exercise and see what it can do for me. So it's designing a skills assessment that I can now have this candidate take. And I can put that skills assessment into the CRM. So when they take that skills assessment, it automatically uploads for me. Now look at this. And what's happening is this hopefully is going to reduce maybe our turnover in certain VA positions. Maybe it's going to improve the quality of the candidate that we're getting. It's helping me see things here that, what they'll learn, what they need to do, all these different things. How they could go in and build a life cycle and all these different things. And so this is truly, hiring a marketing director, not someone who is posting on social media, but someone who's truly analyzing the data, going back and making adjustments based on what they know on the data. So this is just a simple way you could use to build one of these rubrics, like you can see right here, how to administer it and everything with your HR assistant. So this is one way that you could potentially use this as HR in your agency. Now look, here's the important thing. If you're going to do this, spend the $20 on the paid version, because at least then it gives you a paywall and it protects a lot of your information here. If you're using the free version, you're putting all this stuff out here, anybody can get access to it. Like when I uploaded that transcription. Now you may ask, how did I upload that transcription? Well, what I did is I went to Zoom and I downloaded the file and I took the file with the Descript and I had Descript transcribe it for me. And then I took the full transcription of it and did it. Now, I have another GPT that I'll be using too to help some different clients with this as they go through the hiring process of how to implement AI into their hiring process to help them get better candidates. So look, if you want more information on how we implement this in agencies every day, just reach out to me. either here in our circle community or over on our YouTube channel. You can email me support@buildinganiche.com. I hope this video has been valuable for everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.